Hello, welcome back to languagefy. Today's lesson revolves around the speaking and the listening practice, and we are practicing it via dialogue. It's a dialogue between a salesman and a customer lady at a clothing store. Let's get started.
Good afternoon. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a dress to wear to my friend's wedding. Do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely. What's your preferred style and color?
I'm looking for something elegant and formal, maybe in a light blue or pastel pink color.
Great choice. We have a new collection of dresses in those colors that I think you'll love. Let me show you some options.
They walk over to the dress section and the salesman shows the customer a few options.
How about this one? It's a light blue off-the-shoulder dress with a fitted waistline and a flowy skirt.
Oh, that's beautiful. Can I try it on?
Of course, ma'am. Follow me to the fitting room, and I'll grab a few more options for you to try on.
They walk to the fitting room and the customer tries on the dress.
Wow, you look stunning in that dress. What do you think?
I love it. It's perfect for the occasion. Do you have any other similar dresses in different colors?
Yes, we have a pastel pink version of that dress, and also a few other styles that might interest you. Let me grab them for you.
He brings back a few more options for the customer to try on.
How about this one? It's a blush pink, floor-length gown with a lace bodice and a flowing skirt.
Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm torn between the two now.
Why don't you try both on again and see which one you feel more comfortable in?
Customer tries on both dresses again. I think I'll go with the light blue one. It feels more comfortable and I think it suits me better.
Great choice, man. Let me ring you up at the register.
They walk over to the register and the salesman completes the transaction.
Thank you for shopping with us today. I hope you have a wonderful time at the wedding.
Thank you. You were really helpful. I'll definitely be back here for my next occasion. Hope you enjoy the dialogue. You will benefit more if you practice the dialogue side by side so that your pronunciation will also improve. That's all for today. Stay blessed.